Oh, hey guys. Yeah, it is vocabulary time. Sorry, I'm just reading this awesome story. You gotta read it with me. It's on page 31. It's really helped me learn our vocabulary words this week. Go grab your book. Turn to page 31. Okay. This story really makes me want to go to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in a long time, but that's okay. We're going to just read it together. We're just going to have a little relaxing 5 minutes where we're going to read our story so that we learn our words. And when I hear a word that is one of our vocabulary words, I'm going to give a yeah. Okay? So, if you hear one of our vocabulary words, you can just go, yeah. And I'll go, and I'll go. Okay, read it out loud with me. That's the whole point. You're reading, I'm reading, you're learning, I'm learning, learning together. Best friends learning together. Do you enjoy building sandcastles? Then you might like to explore a certain beach in the island of Nantucket, a part of Massachusetts. The time to visit is on the second or third Saturday in August. That's when the islands hold a sandcastle sculpture day at Jetty's Beach. It is the most popular summer event on the island. The judges award blue ribbons for the best result in 5 different contests. There's one for families, one for children under 7, and others for people of different ages, and everyone gets a chance to take part. The first step is to sign up. The second is to know the best way to build with sand. To make something that will draw the judge's attention and perhaps... Attention, Mrs. Seymour! Attention. Draw their attention and perhaps win the top prize. You need to have the right tools. You should have plastic utensils. You should have plastic utensils, such as a large bucket, a spade. That's our word. We know what a spade is. Cool. You can have utensils like such a large bucket, a spade, a knife, and some spoons. Besides these, bring some paper cups of different sizes and a straw to blow away any excess sand. So if they have all this sand, this excess sand, like too much sand, they're going to need to blow it away. Okay, we're visualizing the story. The sandcastle contest is coming up. Be careful to build your sandcastles in the right place. Should be close to the water's edge so that the sand is wet and will hold its shape. You do not want to be too close to the water, however. A big wave might demolish your form before the judges have time to see it. Yeah, demolish is a word. And I can visualize that, can't you? A big wave comes and demolishes my work. Just wrecks it. Begin by drawing an outline. Yeah, an outline. An outline of your castle with a stick. Next, dump sand in the middle of the space and pour water over it. Let the water drain away. Then pack the sand tightly on all sides with a brick or a piece of wood. Keep doing this until the pile of sand is the height you want. Cut away sand on 4 sides to make your castle take shape. As you do this, keep the sides in balance. If you cut away sand on one side, be sure to do the same on the other one. This way, your castle will not collapse. Yeah, that's one of our words. Will not collapse under its own weight. Whoosh, it would just collapse. Be too heavy. After the sides and top are flat, You can work on the towers for each corner. Fill a paper cup with wet sand. Make sure to press it in firmly. Find the spot where you want to pull the tower, then flip the cup over quickly. You want the sand to come out in one piece without falling apart. Do this quickly for each tower. You can make 4 walls running along the top of your castle to join the towers. Lay down lines of wet sand and shape them with a plastic knife. Make windows and doors in the walls by scooping out sand with a plastic spoon. If you shape each of these like an arch, if you shape each of these like an arch, you will make the castle look like those of long time ago. Then finish your building by decorating with little flags, seashells, pebbles, or seaweed. Of course, you do not have to make a sandcastle. You can build anything you like. You might try making a car, an automobile, an octopus, a rocket ship, or a flying saucer. When you're finished, walk along the beach to see what other people have made. Even if you do not win the contest, you will still have lots of fun. Yeah, that was so awesome. And there's our confetti. We had so much fun building our sandcastle in Nantucket. That's even way cooler confetti. We just read all of our words and we did our story. And now, since we know our words so great, we are going to answer our questions on page 32. Answer them with a sentence. Let's look at number 5. Why must you pay attention to where you are building your sandcastle? Attention was one of our words, and that means to like listen closely or look attentively, make sure you're paying attention. Why do you think you should pay attention to where you're building your sandcastle? Yeah, because the waves, if you build your sandcastle too close to the waves could demolish it, was one of our words, or wreck it, or make it collapse. That was one of our words. So you want to pay attention because you want the sandcastle to hold its structure really well. You don't want the ocean to demolish it. Okay, go answer questions 1 through 10, page 32. It should take you about 10 or 15 minutes. Have your learning coach look at it, and you finished lesson 3. Connection minute. Are you getting the exercise you need to stay healthy and fit? Make sure you get off the couch, get off the computer, turn off the TV and go for a bike ride, a jog, jump on the tramp, get your jump rope out, anything to get that heart pumping. After you watch this lesson, get your work done, then go play. Get your heart pumping, get all your energy out. Mrs. Seymour should do that too. See ya. Thanks for coming. You guys are awesome. Bye.